everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have a nice soup recipe for you, and it's curly kale and potato. So my ingredients are 3 Irish white potatoes, 1 onion, ground white pepper and garlic granules, curly kale, and vegetable stock cube. So let's get started. So my first step is going to be to add the curly kale into the pot. Then I'm going to add boiling water for it to cover over the kale. And then I'm going to put the oven on to a medium heat. And then we're going to let that boil for approximately 5 minutes. That'll just help for it to take the green colour out of the soup from the curly kale. So while the curly kale is boiling in the pot, I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to start preparing the potatoes and the onion. So I'm going to peel and chop both of them. And so there I have my potatoes and onions chopped up. So I only used half of the onion because it was quite large. So what I'm going to do next is, the kale over here is boiling, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in the vegetable stock cube. And I'm going to let that absorb into the water. Just give it a stir. And so then once that's absorbed, I'm then going to add in the rest of the vegetables. So now the vegetable stock cube has absorbed into the water. So now I'm going to go ahead and first add in the onions. And then also the potatoes. Then we're going to cover this back over and we're going to leave it to boil for approximately 20 minutes. So just give it a stir. I'm also going to add in the garlic granules, and ground white pepper. And so now we're just going to cover that over. We're leaving it on a medium heat for it to boil. So now the soup has been 20 minutes boiling. So you can see that the vegetables have softened. The potatoes are really soft. So now what we're ready to do is starting to blend. So I'm just going to turn off the heat, and then I'm going to use the hand blender and start to blend. So now our soup is blended. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add in some milk. So the milk will just help to make it that bit more creamy, and it'll also help lighten the colour so it won't be as green. And then that's our soup, curly kale soup, all made. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. And thank you for watching, everybody. Have a nice day.